For 30 years now, the Mercy Center for Women has been providing transitional housing and support services for women and children who are experiencing homelessness. And just last month alone, they received a high number of inquiries. Our Philip Ward spoke with the executive director tonight. And Philip, just how many women reached out to the center?
Well, good evening, Mike. 88 women got in contact with the center, either through phone, email, or just by simply knocking on the door. Executive Director Jenny Haggerty says while that number is higher than usual, it may also be encouraging to see more women being comfortable asking for help.
There is not a day here at Mercy Center for Women where someone does not come and ring a doorbell.
The Mercy Center for Women has been serving Erie County for 30 years by providing transitional housing and support services for women and children who are experiencing homelessness. Executive Director of the center, Jenny Haggerty, says typically they receive inquiries from about 70 women a month. In June, that number was 88.
On average, 3 to 4 times a day, someone is reaching out in need of housing. And you wrap the mental health concerns into that as well. It's just become very complex.
Haggerty says even with the work they continue to do, both nationally and locally here in Erie County, the homelessness problem is getting worse.
We are growing in those numbers. Gratefully, I think we have incredible housing providers that are doing their fair share to house individuals as needed. I think there's some great initiatives around the pike too.
But with that number of 88 women seeking help, it also encourages Haggerty, indicating that if more women know they need help, it's there for them.
Before, that might be something that they weren't comfortable doing, but whether it's the Mercy Center for Women or another housing program in Erie County, individuals are becoming more comfortable in making that phone call, sending that email, or knocking on someone's door.
While offering housing and support for those struggling in our community, Haggerty says the center also provides women with hope.
They do not need to ask for forgiveness. They know the road they have walked, and they are here to get themselves better and become better parents, better people in society, and our doors are always open to and for them.
And Mike, Haggerty says if you're a woman and struggling, don't wait to reach out to them for help. Their number and information can be found on our website, erienewsnow.com. Live in the studio, Philip Ward, Erie News Now.